Achieve exceptional results with the new OPD Scan 3, the next wave in optimized patient outcomes. This is the most powerful refractive wavefront system available, only from Marco, the leader in vision diagnostics. The OPD Scan 3 can deliver over 20 critical diagnostic measurements in less than 10 seconds, ultimately providing your patients with superior cataract and refractive outcomes.
Gaining an understanding of lens materials is achieved by studying their key properties. They provide important details about how the material will perform when fabricated into lenses. Index of refraction indicates how readily a lens material will refract a beam of light. The higher the index of refraction, the more the material will bend light rays. Willibald Snell discovered the index of refraction in 1621 when he noted that rays of light are bent in a direct ratio to the density of the material they're passing through. Snell's law of refraction explains that the amount of refraction, or bending of light rays, has to do with the angle at which light rays enter the second medium and the densities of the two mediums. As a ray of light strikes the surface of a transparent medium, the greater the angle of entry, also known as the angle of incidence, the greater the amount of refraction. Index of refraction can be determined by dividing the speed of light in a vacuum by the speed of light in a medium. For example, to determine the refractive index for crown glass, all we need to know is the speed of light in the material, which is 122,000 miles per second. Since light travels at 186,000 miles per second in a vacuum, the index of refraction for crown glass is 1.524. The higher the index of refraction, the thinner lenses can be ground. Plus, powered lenses are thinner in the center when fabricated with higher index materials, and minus lenses are thinner on the edges when made with these materials. There is no official standard that categorizes lenses by index of refraction, but the optical industry tends to follow these guidelines. Low-index lenses are less than 1.53. Mid-index lenses fall between 1.53 and 1.5. High-index lenses are between 1.59 and 1.66, and super-high index is anything greater than 1.66. The majority of high-index materials have a lower Abbe value, however, meaning that dispersion, when white light is separated into its color components, may be a problem. For the best outcome, research all high-index options before deciding which one to use.